trading thousands of dollars over a $10 meal. For digital natives, entry into the crypto spaces.
The year 2022 has been very tough for all the cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, and also for crypto enthusiasts. The largest cryptocurrency in the world, BTC, has lost approximately 65% of its market value in the entire last year. Crypto enthusiasts were caught off guard by a series of unpredictable events, such as the Terra Luna crash, FTX fall, macroeconomic conditions, and Binance's guilty plea. The start of this year, 2023, was strong for the cryptocurrencies, as the crypto world was showing signs of recovery. Bitcoin even rose an average of 0.39 in the month of July at around $31,000. The crypto world is showing immense recovery as of October, and DEC has BTC rising at good levels. As of DEC 2023, BTC is at $42,853, market capitalization at $837.54 billion, 54 cents billion, and market volume at $21.19 billion. Will Bitcoin recover again? Post the psychological threshold of the $31,000 mark, Bitcoin has yet again started showing a bearish trend and trading below $30 levels. The world's largest cryptocurrency, BTC, which was on the path of recovery, had added on up to the monthly benefit of almost 15, according to the latest charts retrieved by CoinMarketCap, and is now trading at its highest level since May 2022 at $42,877. BTC seems under slim pressure as inflation continues to be a crucial issue in emerging economies such as the US and the UK. And as anticipated, the US Federal Reserve hiked the interest rates with a 25 basis point to tackle inflation issue. As per experts, the major resistance is seen near the $29,800 level, and the next major resistance is at the $30,400 level. This is not the first time that BTC is under pressure. Bitcoin had seen a major fall that pushed the cryptocurrency below the $26,000 level, a 3-month low when the US Securities and Exchange Commission sued one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, Binance, and its founder and chief executive officer, Changpeng Zhaoquexi. The SEC blamed crypto exchange Binance for creating separate entities as Binance.com and Binances as segments of an elaborate scheme to evade US federal securities laws. It has also alleged that a firm owned by its founder, CZ, had been involved in artificially growing the trading volume of crypto assets listed on its Binance US platform. In April 2023, the top cryptocurrency Bitcoin touched the key resistance of $30,000 level for the first time since June 10, 2022, and then started dipping below till $26,000 level, and now has supremely raised at $42,877 after May 2022. Crypto experts believe Bitcoin must stick to the $31,000 level, and more to touch the level of $60,000 by the end of the year 2023. However, the recovery path is lengthy, as BTC is still down almost 37.75 from its all-time high. At the start of the year, Bitcoin plunged below the level of $20,000, but due factors such as the deepening banking crisis in the US, the weakening of the dollar index, and cooling inflation have been able to bring back Bitcoin and other digital currencies to lead the path of resistance. So, it is not wrong to say that the recent US financial crisis has increased the appetite for cryptocurrencies. While the future of Bitcoin is unknown, retail investors are required to be very cautious about each and every move of Bitcoin, as it has been a tumultuous year for Bitcoin. Moreover, India's stance on cryptocurrencies continues to be firm, with the government bringing all crypto-related transactions under the ambit of the Money Laundering Act. In a specific Gazette notification, the Union Finance Ministry of India stated that all the transactions related to digital assets or virtual currency would fall under the purview of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act (PMLA). One of the other reasons why crypto experts are hopeful about Bitcoin is that in the coming year 2024 will be a year for Bitcoin's halving event. The Bitcoin halving event happens every 4 years, in which BTC rewards to its miners are cut by 50. The miners' payout will be reduced to 3.125 BTCA. Bitcoin halving history. In the above table, we can see that past Bitcoin halving events have been able to establish long-term bullish drivers for Bitcoin's price. The Bitcoin halving event relates to its deflationary tendency and crushing its supply, which helps the Bitcoin price to rise further, as BTC, being a decentralized cryptocurrency, can't be printed by any central banks or governments, and thus Bitcoin's total supply is limited. Moreover, Bitcoin whales, large investors, have started accumulating Bitcoin once again. According to data from on-chain aggregator Sentiment, the large Bitcoin whales are holding a range from 1,000 to 10,000 BTC in their wallets, showcasing that investors have been filling up their wallets with a lot of Bitcoins, which might reflect recovery signs in the price of Bitcoin. Can Bitcoin reach $1 million by 2025? We all are aware that Bitcoin has rallied 80 plus more since the start of this year. With massive and unanticipated gains, it has surely surpassed several other major assets and set huge returns for those who have bought Bitcoin at dips. The crypto industry is excited to witness the new peak of BTC and hoping for more. Marshall Beard, Chief Strategy Officer at crypto exchange Gemini, believes Bitcoin to break its all-time highs this year. He even said $100,000 price figure is an interesting number if Bitcoin gets to its previous record high of near $69,000. If Bitcoin really happens to touch this magical figure, then it has to showcase an upside of 270 to reach at $1 leg level. Paolo Arduino, Chief Technology Officer at Tether, also has a positive view on Bitcoin. He said BTC could retest its all-time high of around $69,000. Nonetheless, the year 2023 seems to be a decent year for Bitcoin advocates, who always tend to consider it as a digital gold or safe haven investment that can offer traders attractive returns in times of mayhem. It was a major boost for BTC in hopes that the US Federal Reserves might reduce the chances of more aggressively increasing interest rates. Can Bitcoin reach $1 million by 2025? Bitcoin enthusiasts always have two positive and at times not possible predictions for their favorite cryptocurrency. And after this mini bull run, many discussions are happening around the world's largest digital coin, BTC. The crypto coin could even witness a level of $10 lakh by 2025. One of the leading British multinational banks raised its prediction price for the BTC ranging from $100,000 to $120,000 by the end of the year 2024 in one of its most recent research reports, citing more profit to BTC miners. The Mensi Bank forecast BTC to reach $50,000 by the end of this current year. The Chinese-Canadian Bitcoin entrepreneur and CEO of crypto firm Jan3 Samson Mo believes that the cryptocurrency will reach $1 million in the next 5 years. With several such wild guesses, Balaji Srinivasan, an investor and the former technology chief at Coinbase, took a bet that BTC could reach $10 lakh or more in just 90 days. Srinivasan made this strong statement by merely believing that as the world goes into the stage of hyperinflation, the value of the dollar will get weak, due to which the people will start buying more and more BTC. The term hyperinflation means an extreme increase in the price of goods and services over a period of time. Marshall Beard stated Bitcoin to be $1 million in 90 days. Some crazy things are happening in the world, which we don't want. He said, however, that it might take 10 years to reach anywhere close to this extreme prediction. Will Bitcoin crash again in 2024? There are different sets of investors too, large institutions and corporates who hold an opposite view, bearish on Bitcoin, and have a strong opinion that Bitcoin might fall shortly. They believe that this rally is a major bull trap rather than a bull run. Global investor Mark Mobius, the billionaire founder of Mobius Capital Partners, predicted a huge fall in 2022 and even said that Bitcoin can go down to the $10,000 range. The same is predicted by another investor, Matthew Siegel, head of digital assets research at VanEck, a global investment manager who sees BTC drop to $12,000 levels, mentioning higher energy prices. Crypto experts believe that the rising hikes and tighter monetary policy will not allow BTC to rebound sharply in the coming future. Bottom line, among the myriad predictions on Bitcoin, the bottom line remains that Bitcoin has seen several downfalls and has emerged stronger than before each time. Its resilient nature instills a belief of sorts in the minds of crypto enthusiasts who find value in investing in decentralized currencies. Whether Bitcoin soars higher or turns to dust is something only time can tell. And trading Bitcoin should be done with full awareness your investment will not necessarily give you the anticipated returns.